How do you talk to ChatGPT Voice on your iPhone? Let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time here, subscribe to Foxtecc so you don't miss videos like this one. So the first step would be to get to the App Store actually and get the latest version of the ChatGPT because this kind of changes. They roll out a lot of updates, so it would make sense to just get the latest version. But once you are inside of that app, you want to just start a new chat as usual, but you don't actually pick like the microphone icon right there, but instead you click on this like audio style thing. It's like this circle. You can click on it and it's going to open up the like a huge circle on the screen. It might take a while for it to load up properly. Of course, the better internet connection, the easier it's going to be and the faster it's going to be to respond, but then you can just talk to it. It will talk back, and that is the voice mode, right? So that is the distinction I wanted to make, because there is also the microphone icon, and this is for the live transcription. So you can like speak directly and it's going to be transcribed into the text mode. But if you want to just talk in voice, that's what you have to go with. And of course, once you're done, all of the text will be like visible as well, the whole conversation. So it's very nice and simple. So yeah, that's basically it. Let me know if you managed to find it, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.